Struggling with the FTCE Marketing Grades 6 through 12 057 exam, or just need extra help? You're in the right place, and I've got your back. Hi, I'm Selena, and I bring 20 years of experience in education. I'm also a test prep expert with Study.com. I'll walk you through some practice test questions, explain why the correct answers work, and show you how to eliminate the wrong ones using SMART strategies. Let's get started and boost your confidence, one question at a time. Which of the following actions best demonstrates an understanding of self-esteem and human relations in a professional setting? Your choices are A, ignoring a colleague's disruptive behavior to avoid conflict. B, complimenting a colleague publicly on their recent achievement. C, making sarcastic remarks about a team member's mistakes to lighten the mood. Or D, avoiding communication with a colleague who has a different working style. Ignoring disruptive behavior, making sarcastic remarks, and avoiding communication do not promote healthy interpersonal relations or self-esteem and can negatively impact the work environment. The correct answer is B. Complimenting a colleague publicly on their recent achievement demonstrates self-esteem and effective human relations by acknowledging and celebrating others' successes, which fosters a positive and supportive work environment. Which of the following strategies best demonstrates effective personal goal setting and time management in a professional setting? Your choices are A, completing tasks only when they are due without planning ahead. B, delegating all tasks to others to focus solely on high priority projects. C, setting clear, achievable goals with specific deadlines and prioritizing tasks accordingly. Or D, waiting till the end of the day to address all tasks at once to avoid frequent interruptions. Completing tasks only when they are due without planning ahead is incorrect. This is reactive, not proactive. You risk missing deadlines or rushing through work. Planning ahead helps you stay organized and reduces stress. B, delegating all tasks to others to focus solely on high priority projects is incorrect. Delegating some tasks is smart, but giving away everything means you're not managing your own responsibilities. It can also overwhelm others. D, waiting until the end of the day to address all tasks is incorrect. This causes tasks to pile up, leading to burnout or mistakes. Spreading tasks out during the day helps with focus and quality. The correct answer is C, setting clear, achievable goals with specific deadlines and prioritizing tasks accordingly. It is the best strategy for effective personal goal setting and time management. This approach helps in organizing tasks, managing time efficiently, and achieving objectives systematically. It ensures that goals are realistic and deadlines are met, leading to increased productivity. Which of the following interpersonal skills is most important for fostering positive working relationships in a team environment? Your choices are A, assertively demanding that others follow your suggestions without compromise. B, actively listening to colleagues' ideas and providing constructive feedback. C, avoiding discussions about work-related issues to prevent conflict. Or D, frequently reminding others of their mistakes to ensure they improve. Assertively demanding that others follow your suggestions without compromise is incorrect. This is controlling and doesn't allow for teamwork or collaboration. It shuts others down instead of building trust and respect. Avoiding discussions about work-related issues to prevent conflict is incorrect. Ignoring problems doesn't make them go away. It usually makes things worse. Healthy teams talk openly and respectfully to solve issues. Frequently reminding others of their mistakes to ensure they improve is incorrect. This can come off as negative or critical. It may make teammates feel embarrassed or discouraged instead of supported. The correct answer is B. Actively listening to colleagues' ideas and providing constructive feedback is crucial for fostering positive working relationships in a team environment. This skill demonstrates respect for others' contributions, encourages open communication, and supports collaborative problem solving. It helps build trust and mutual respect among team members. Which of the following approaches is most effective for handling a customer complaint about a defective product? Your choices are A. Blaming the customer for not inspecting the product properly before purchase. B. Explaining in detail why the product is defective and suggesting the customer is at fault. C. Ignoring the complaint and hoping the customer will eventually leave without further issue. Or D. Offering a prompt and sincere apology and providing a solution, such as a refund or replacement. Blaming the customer is incorrect. This shows poor customer service. Blaming makes customers feel disrespected and unheard, and it can drive them away. Explaining in detail why the product is defective and suggesting it's their fault is incorrect. Even with an explanation, blaming the customer creates frustration and sounds defensive, not helpful. Ignoring the complaint is incorrect. Avoiding the issue doesn't solve anything. It makes the customer feel unimportant. The correct answer is D. Offering a prompt and sincere apology along with providing a solution, such as a refund or replacement, is the most effective approach for handling a customer complaint about a defective product. This method demonstrates empathy, responsibility, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, which can help retain customer trust and loyalty. Thanks for joining me today as we tackle the FTCE Marketing Grades 6 through 12 Exam 057, specifically the Knowledge of Human Relations section. If this helped, be sure to like, share, or comment with any questions or areas you'd like to review next. I'm here to support you every step of the way. And remember, you don't have to study alone. Study.com offers tons of helpful videos, practice tests, and resources that can make prepping for the exam a lot easier. Until next time, keep going, stay confident, and trust your journey. You're one step closer to passing your exam 057. You've got this. Happy studying!